we'll guide you through how to understand the meaning of Dropbox and maximize its potential for your needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com into the address bar. Once there, you'll see that Dropbox is a cloud-based file storage service that allows you to store your documents, photos, and videos securely online. To begin using Dropbox, you need to create an account if you don't have one already. Click on the Sign Ups button and follow the prompts to enter your email, create a password, and complete the registration. After signing up, you'll be directed to your Dropbox dashboard, where you can start uploading files. To upload a file, click on the Upload button, usually located at the top right of the dashboard, and select the files from your computer that you want to store in the cloud. Dropbox automatically syncs these files across all your devices, so you can access them anytime, anywhere. You'll notice a Files tab on the left. This is where you can organize your files into folders for easy access. You can also share files or entire folders with others by clicking the Share button next to a file name and entering the recipient's email address. This makes collaboration seamless and easy. Dropbox also offers features like file recovery, which allows you to restore deleted files within a certain time frame, and version history, so you can revert to previous versions of a document. One of the key benefits of Dropbox is its ability to integrate with other apps and services, enhancing productivity and workflow. You can connect Dropbox with tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office for seamless document editing and sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.